Hello everyone, I'm Sanjini Bhattacharjee, Vice Head Girl, Unison World School. Well, after the outbreak of COVID-19, we've all been asked to implement the lockdown as a safety measure. But this lockdown could have dire psychological effects on every individual. So it is imperative that we strike a balance between our physical and our mental health. Coming to my physical health, every day I go up to my terrace and I make sure that I walk at least 5 kilometers. I track my steps while listening to some music, which is indeed refreshing. I'm also a keen dancer, so I take out some time every day and I work on new dance routines and I put in a lot of efforts and energy. Coming to my mental health, I spend quality time with my family, especially with my younger brother. I am also connected to all my relatives and my friends through social media and modern technology. Well, we should not take these quarantine days for granted and we must make them as productive as possible. So I attend all my online classes and I also study. I have my school to thank for that. They've been supporting us constantly and endlessly, irrespective of the global crisis going on outside. So I'm really grateful to them. All I can say is we must use our resources wisely because they are limited. But most importantly, we must remain optimistic and we must remain patient. We must cooperate with each other because I know that together we can survive this pandemic.
Hi everyone, I am Sunandini Chakrabarti, the Academic Vice Prefect of Unison World School. During this coronavirus pandemic, we've all been asked to stay at home. So it is important that we keep our mind and body healthy. To do so, I do yoga every morning. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে Due to this lockdown, the rate of increase in the affected people in coronavirus has reduced from 25% to 6% in India, and WHO believes that it can further be reduced to 2%. So, stay home, stay safe, and spend quality time with your family.
Good morning, all. I am Disha Nagpal, Activity Vice Prefect of Unison World School. As we are caught amidst this pandemic, the country is in a state of lockdown as a preventive measure. And as tiring as it is for the citizens, it is imperative to contain the virus. And if we look at it from a positive viewpoint, it gives us ample amount of time to do things that we had been procrastinating since so long. I utilize my time during the day by reading and studying. I also give my mother a hand in the household chores and I sometimes cook for my family. As far as my health is concerned, I keep my body fit by playing badminton with my brother and father every evening. And we also have to take in regard our sleep schedule because if we get ample amount of sleep, it's only then that we keep our mind healthy. And if we do not keep our mind healthy, we cannot concentrate on things. I also want to say that in times of uncertainty like this, I hope everybody is spending quality time with their family because we receive an extreme amount of emotional support from our family and it is extremely needed during this time. And I hope everybody is happy and doing fine. Stay home.
Hello everyone, I'm Divyanshi, the Sports Vice Prefect of Unison World School. Since we all are well aware, these are very uncertain times that we currently live in. COVID not only tests our bodily immunity but also our mental health to endure all this stress. So all of us should exercise regularly, not only to escape the constant idleness but also to keep ourselves fit. To keep myself physically fit, I play volleyball every day with my elder brother, and also for my mental support, I have my family here and I also keep in touch with all my friends. Since all of us are locked down inside, the street animals go unfeeded and we must all make a point to feed them every day. Me and my family make sure that we do feed them. Also, we must all follow the rules laid down by the government strictly. So, thank you, stay indoors and stay safe.
Hello everyone, I am Arshi Mittal, Vice House Prefect of Daffodil House in Unison World School. So as we all know that we are sharing a phase which turned out to be totally unanticipated. At fault or not, each and every community is majorly shaken up by this experience of life at home nowadays. So at this hour, according to me, the most significant thing which can get ruptured without anyone's approval is health, whether it be physical or mental. So to cope up with that, I've made myself a structured schedule which includes 30 minutes of physical labor, studying, reading books, or listening to informative podcasts. And I make sure that my each day is productive in terms of engaging by spending a quality time with my parents and learning something new, whether it be a DIY tactic or an experimental concoction. So at this times of crisis, the only vital message which I would want to spread forward is that it's very easy for us to lose tracks because our mind can get fiddled by staying in the same environment for more than a month at a stretch. So instead of focusing how restless we are getting or are becoming, we should divert our focus towards growing ourselves in every way possible, because this time is not going to come back. And also to remember that we are in this together and each one on this planet is facing it. At last, to never forget that time heals everything. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Karna Garki, the Jasmine House Vice Prefect and also a student of IAC Science. Whenever we hear the word quarantine, we always think about the things that we aren't allowed to do. But perhaps we should think about the opportunities it has given us. Being a student, I utilize my time by taking online classes and do self-study. We should always use our gadgets in the most productive way and also to keep us entertained. Instead of whining about the situation that we are in right now, I use this time to introspect myself, learn new things such as cooking or take up a new language, as well as give time and enjoy with my family. To maintain my physical and mental well-being, I wake up in the morning, do 1 hour of meditation and exercise. In this time, we are in the same position all day long. So in order to keep our body active, we can always walk around our house for 10 to 15 minutes every day. I request you all to please stay at home, sanitize yourself regularly and eat healthy to keep your immunity strong. Happy quarantine.
Hello everybody, I'm Preet. I'm the part of Unison World School prefectorial body. So as the world is facing this pandemic right now and the governments of all the countries across the world is doing their best to save their citizens, we on our own parts, we should be dutiful citizens and we should maintain social distancing as regulated by the government. And for me to spend the time, I wake up in the morning early and do some exercises, yoga, in order to improve my respiratory system, as this virus attacks your respiratory system the first. So I've engaged myself in doing yoga, and for the entire day I spend my time studying, and I've started doing painting and other things like craft and music, etc. So I would like to request you all, whoever is watching this video, to stay safe, be at home and be a dutiful citizen and maintain social distancing and carry out all the duties and responsibilities that you have and maintain social distancing.
Hello everyone, I'm Sana Agrawal, the Orchid House Vice Prefect. In the light of the present world scenario, it is essential that we stay at home and practice social distancing. Given all the sudden free time can be overwhelming and we might be caught doing nothing. A wise person once said, a person's true personality is defined in how he acts during a difficult situation. The present world pandemic has really shown us the power of Mother Nature. To spend my time productively, I devote some part of my day in studying and helping my mother in her daily chores. Sitting at home and not being able to go out can have a negative effect on our body, both mentally and physically. So I do devote my time in exercises and doing yoga. I try to explore my limits by trying new things like painting, drawing, cooking, etc. To help us use our time judiciously, our school has introduced us to various new things like virtual internship programs, online career counseling, online courses and many other things. At last, I would tell you all to use your time productively, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.